It's a beautiful Sunday morning. We're actually here to try to catch Firefall. It's the last weekend of reservations here in Yosemite. But you know, we got here early. We love spending time in Yosemite, so we're gonna try to hit a few trails. Right now we're gonna head up to Inspiration Point. We should definitely witness some really good views. I would definitely say that this trail is on like the moderate side of difficult, just because, well, it is a 2-mile hike, but the incline, you definitely rapidly start going uphill. It's about close to 1,100 feet of elevation. So I mean, it can be moderate to strenuous depending on your fitness levels, but honestly, as long as you're moving slow, you can definitely enjoy this short trail. I was expecting to see about 40 degrees, so I think I overlayered, and now I'm sweating and it's a little warmer than usual, but still thoroughly enjoying this trail. We decided to park right in front of El Capitan. Here you can see Horsetail Fall, which we're hoping will light up in the afternoon. Since we had some time to kill, we decided to walk to El Capitan picnic area, where we decided to have some snacks and then just chill for a bit before the big event. I don't think this looks very appetizing. Like, that does not look appetizing.
But is it?
Right? We were actually going to set up at the picnic area of El Cap, but our ranger suggested that we head over to the viewing area, just because if the Firefall does happen on this day, you might be able to witness more of the dramatic effect of the Firefall at the viewing area compared to El Capitan's picnic area. Although you might still get some really good shots of Horsetail Fall, but we're hoping we can catch the dramatic effect of Firefall.
Tell the good people what your strategy is.
As soon as I see orange, I'm just gonna start
Take as
pushing
many
down.
pictures as you can y ojalá salga una buena. Y si no, pues
Valgo madre.
One of them's gonna come out.
Yeah.
tanto dinero para nada.
We're about to witness Firefall on a Horsetail Fall. It's what is it? It's 4:26. We're probably got about an hour before the show actually starts. We're hoping the weather does us a nice favor and that actually allows the Firefall to happen. Hopefully it's not cloudy and there's no overcast, so that should definitely be a beautiful sight. Alright guys, we're just waiting for the national park to flip the switch and turn on Firefall. It should be in any minute now. Alright guys, it's 5:35 and you can see a little bit of Firefall. Alright guys, it's 5:42 p.m. and you can definitely see Horsetail Fall. That was a Sunday in Yosemite National Park with beautiful Horsetail Fall. They flipped the switch, it turned on. It was a great day. Thanks guys. I don't even know where I put the keys.